BitTorrent prices could rise to 0.0000150 by the end of 2023. BitTorrent costs are expected to range between 0.0000201 and 0.0000240 in 2025, with the average cost of BTT hovering around 0.000215 bullish. By 2030, the BitTorrent BTT value is expected to be between 0.0000499 and 0.0000650. BitTorrent's ongoing cost continues at 0.00059, representing a 6% decrease over the last week. BitTorrent's market capitalization is currently at $567,985,320, while its 24-hour volume is 14,113,942, and it has seen a 1.58 drop in the previous 24 hours. There is a marginally negative feeling in the crypto market, however the long-haul view for BitTorrent remains hopeful, with a potential ascent to 0.0000150 by the end of 2023. In this section, we will look into BitTorrent cost projections for the coming years. The BTT symbolic category and the highlights that distinguish Bittorrent in the crypto world. BitTorrent's business outline is a unique venture in the digital money space that gives a safe organization to document sharing administrations. As of late, the dispatch of BTT on the mainnet has stood out from business specialists because of its highly discussed symbolic category based on the historical backdrop of this profoundly influential organization. Trustworthy digital money may be traced back to the presence of a cryptographic convention. Despite the fact that it was initially used to supplement Bitcoin, it was subsequently created in phases as a TRC-10 utility token based on the Tron blockchain. BTT Powers incorporates features of the most well-known decentralized conventions and applications in the world. BTT-controlled apps incorporate BitTorrent speed. The BitTorrent record framework is operational, and others are in the works. It uses the BitTorrent protocol for sharing and moving files, and BitTorrent was the most popular document sharing protocol in 2019. The Tron network uses a signed proof of the state convention for security, which is supported by a robust and high data transmission public blockchain stage. BitTorrent has addressed the openness issues of establishing a crossover agreement instrument. BTT relies on cryptographic techniques that rely on zero exposure proof and numerical consistency of the entire blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without revealing any information or message to the next party engaged with the exchange. All record sharing and downloading are carried out by the product from BitTorrent Incorporated. The stage was launched in 2001 by BitTorrent Incorporated. Bram Cohen created the BitTorrent framework, a file-sharing architecture that allows BitTorrent clients to share large files at faster download speeds and with no copyright restrictions. It also offers compatibility with other organizations like Tron and Binance. Excellent Chain. The Life Convention is the organization's first decentralized live webcast, as part of its ongoing business sector capitalization. The BitTorrent new token stockpile has expanded at a rate of 1,000, and that implies 990 trillion tokens are now accessible in the crypto market. The old ones are known as TOLD and the new coins are known as BTT. Starting from the beginning of this current year, the BTT token has exchanged with a moderate pattern with not in the middle of drops on February 21st. The cost of the BitTorrent new token was exchanging around $0.000770888 in a day. The continual cost fluctuations demonstrate that there are mixed opinions. We should examine BTT cost forecasts from market specialists to know the best opportunity to contribute if you are looking for virtual monetary standards with high returns. BTT can be a dreadful high-risk one-year investment option. BitTorrent's new price is equivalent to 0.0000110, however your continuous speculation may be degraded from here on out due to Justin Sunday. According to BitTorrent prognosis, BTT has a promising future. According to BTT Cost Forecast 2030, the symbolic cost may be little altered, but bulls will be returning and its cost may skyrocket to 0.0004172. Our data shows that the resource cost has been in a downtrend for as long as a year, and Bittorrent New has been showing a declining propensity. The future cost of the token is expected to address enormously following a year, as indicated by our BTT expectations. It will require some investment and extended client base and positive feelings before Bittorrent costs outflank from here on out its contribution, and differ Bittorrent value projection 2023 based on Bittorrent cost expectations and cost pattern analysis according to Bittorrent Coin Cost Forecast 2023. The future cost of Bittorrent New causes a slight value drop to 0.0000550, and the main half from that point forward it could recover its force and raise a ruckus around town level of 0.0000150 BitTor. This is the same as the similar display in Bittorrent cost projections through the end of 2023. Demonstrating that BTT may conceivably support and dependably fill even under adverse situations. BTT Value Forecast 2025. Of every 2025, we predict BITTORRENT New to witness significant development as crypto obtains respect throughout multiple commercial industries. Therefore, BTT's cost for 2025 is shown by our Bittorrent value expectation. 2025 might range between 0.0000225 and 0.0000201, with BTT typically costing around 0.0000210. Bittorrent value expectation 2026. The BTT statistic for 2026 has begun to float towards positivity rather than negativity. The Bittorrent cost forecast for the entire year is quite encouraging, indicating that it might reach the highest value level of 0.0000330. With the market being completely volatile over the last 4 years. Assessing the BTT digital money cost is truly more of a wager in karma than an information-driven estimate at Torrent. Forecasting the value of BTT can be fascinating. Bittorrent. Bitcoin, the most popular digital currency, has been picking up speed as it finds good support at $30,000. Recent ideas from experts in the field give Bitcoin's future an interesting new angle. Arthur Hayes, who used to be the CEO of BitMEX, says that Bitcoin could become the main currency for artificial intelligence (AI) because of its unique qualities and similarities to pure energy. The price of Bitcoin has also been affected by the fact that investors re-evaluated Federal Reserve forecasts after job data came out. In this Bitcoin price forecast, we look at the factors that affect BTC's future and look at what could happen to the digital asset. Bitcoin is likely to become the